Did you know that your Galaxy S25 Ultra can automatically adjust frame rate to record brighter videos in low light? Let's check out the Auto FPS setting. To do so, open Camera app, tap the quick control icon, then tap the settings icon, scroll down the screen. Under video section, tap Auto FPS. Here you will see three options. Off, this keeps the frame rate fixed, good when lighting is consistent. Use for 30 FPS videos only. You can choose this option so the phone can lower the frame rate in low light to brighten your videos. And use for 30 FPS and 60 FPS videos. Choose this option so the phone can adjust frame rate for both. For example, if you often record at night or indoors with less light, you can use for 30 FPS and 60 FPS videos, so your clips stay bright without looking too dark. And that's it. Now you know how to optimize your video recording with Auto FPS on the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.